Hello everyone. This is a very interesting math problem. Everyone try to solve this. Now solution for this. Everyone try to solve this. X plus 11x equal to x. Now x equal to what? First we think x plus 11. X move this side equal to minus 11. 0 equal to minus equal. This is not possible. So now our next solution for this. Now we both side square x plus 11 whole square. Now x square. Okay, now x plus 11 times x plus 11 equal to x square. Everyone understand? X times x square, x times 11 plus 11x plus 11 times x, 11x plus 11 times 11, 121 equal to x square. Now x square move this side, x square minus x square, 11x plus 11x plus 20x plus 121 equal to 0. X square minus x square equal to 0. 22x equal to plus 121 equal to 0. Now 22x equal to 121 move this side equal to minus 121. Now x equal to minus 121 divided by 22. X equal to x equal to x equal to minus 121 divided by 22 means minus 11 by 2. Now check for this. X plus 11 equal to 11. X equal to minus 11. X equal to minus 11 plus 11 equal to minus 11 by 2. Now minus 11 plus 22 divided by 2 equal to minus 11. Minus 11 by 2 equal to minus 11 by 2. This is not real answer. Now we think if we both side a equal to b, now a square equal to b square. Only one condition, a mod equal to b mod. A square equal to b square, only one condition, mod a equal to mod b. Now x by 2 mod equal to minus x by 2 mod. Mod means all negative number equal to positive number. So 11 by 2 equal to 11 by 2. So only no real solution for this equation. Solution for this equation. This equation. Everyone understand?